talk about maybe one of your highlight episodes that, wow, that was me at my best.
Oh, all of them.
All there you go.
I can't choose. I mean, I think a lot of people are going to be really surprised by the Thanksgiving episode where, I mean, he meets her family. I can't spoil too many things.
Yes.
But there's a lot of emotions there. You know, things come up, especially like a happy event like Thanksgiving where family comes together. It's always met with a little bit of tragedy or a little bit of negativity there, and you have to overcome it, and that's what makes you overall thankful, you know? So I think a lot of people are going to be shocked at that because they just see me as I'm unique, and they get to see me as an overall actor, which is great.
Fantastic.
It's exciting. I love to see my people out supporting each other. I'm a big supporter of my girl, Brisha Webb, so I'm so excited for this new season of Love That Girl. You guys will see some amazing things. She's super funny, as is the rest of the talent, the cast. And of course, great to see Reagan Gomez do her thing. You know, she's a new character in the show. You might see a little sneak peek of Miss Goodness here doing a little something. So I'm just excited. I mean, it's always great to be able to see somebody like Brentley Evans just be able to do his thing as long as he has. And I have 2 shows running, I think, right now. So big ups to him.
Yeah. Everybody knows we're on the red carpet tonight.
We are live on the red carpet here at Rooftop 3100 to celebrate the premiere, the return, really, of Love That Girl on TV1. So we're really excited. October 11th. So set your DVR.
And plus, Love That Girl is already shot, what, 65?
We have 65 episodes in the can, so we're like counting down, you know, hopefully, you know, that 35 will get us to 100 plus DVDs.
Now let me ask you, in this second run, what can you expect?
Wow.
Second return. All right,
Yvonne Ortiz, Adenike Harris, Rochelle Williams. And I want you guys to watch. If you miss the premiere, you can still watch next week. To Live in Line LA, hashtag Rochelle Williams, hashtag writer, hashtag funny. CBS funny, but it's not CBS, it's TV1. TV1 funny. So check that one out. Also check out Yvonne Ortiz's episode. What's the number? 406, 413?
It's 40 funny. That's what
there it is.
It's going to be
Season 4.
Just make sure you watch it. Just make sure you watch it.
Every episode. Every episode.
Set your DVR. Set your DVR. You pay for cable, you might as well watch everything.
Especially if you get TV1, you know you pay. You have no excuse.
Armando on Love That Girl. Right. Yeah. Armando got quite a character on his part. Tell the folks about what your episode was.
Oh yeah, well my episode, man. I come through. I just got out of jail. I'm a freeloader. I try to come over there and be a new roommate. It's kind of hilarious. So you gotta check it out.
Wow. We know too many, you know. Hey, this is Gary G. I'm on the red carpet with
Market Del Rio. Greg Williams.
All right. Now, you're on.
I'm on Love That Girl. I play Adonis.
All right.
My crazy roommate as Sloan Simmons, yes.
Let's start off with you. What will we get when we see My Crazy Roommate? What will you do?
Me in particular, I'm going to bring my own brand of comedy. A lot of improv, and my castmates will bring a lot of fun, a little bit of sexy, and a lot of energy.
Sounds like can't wait to see it.
It is a can't wait to see.
All right.
Definitely.
Okay.
He's being modest. He's being modest. He's bringing it.
Okay, now your turn. Let's talk about it.
Oh man, you know I play Adonis. I'm one half of the gay couple named Fabanis. That's Fabian and Adonis. We're the next door neighbors of the stars of the show. So we come busting in, and you know whenever we come in, something's about to happen.
Something's about to happen.
Oh yeah.
We're like the Lenny and
We're
Squiggy.
like Lenny and Squiggy. Hey.
That's your trademark.
That's it. Yeah, that's our entrance, man. That's our entrance.
And we have here.
Can I get one photo right
We got Hottie Williams.
Come on.
Hottie Williams, I play Future on My Crazy Roommate, coming October 14th on Bounce TV. Brought to you by this man right here. We're out here supporting Love That Girl. He's got great stuff happening with that show. We're proud to be carrying on the tradition with our show. Me and this dude right here, gonna be bringing it coming October 14th. Gotta make sure you tune in.
Fantastic. Well, why don't y'all just give a big shout out for the whole.
Okay, over here, guys. We got one more.
Oh, we got one more
right here too.
Damien.
Come on in.
Damien, give your shout out. What's your part?
I play Dimitri. I'm one of the crazy neighbors of the 2 crazy roommates.
That's Danny Coates.
Yeah, right here.
Give How crazy are you?
I get a little nutso, you know. It's all in good fun though.
He gets naked on the show. He comes
Stay tuned.
All of this. All of it.
You guys get that on Bounce, huh?
All right.
That's right. That's right.
That exposed the whole thing, right?
It exposes a
All right. Well, guys, give yourselves a big shout out. Start with Bentley.
Hey, I'm just telling you guys, if you want to laugh, if you want to see just good old-fashioned, good quality comedy again, tune in and watch My Crazy Roommate on Bounce, and that premieres on October 14th. Don't miss it. And also watch Love That Girl, which we premiere on Friday, October 11th. We got billboards on Sunset. We doing things.
Oh yeah, that's big time.
That's big time.
That is very big time.